A Florida land trust by law changes the nature of the property you own from real estate to something personal like a car, a boat, or plane, a simple signed document of agreement, a piece of paper. Privacy is one of the stellar features of the Florida Land Trust. It is particularly valuable when seen in the light of the World Wide Web's ability to search the state's public records for information from anywhere on the planet. Access to the Internet is a global phenomenon, and the United States is one of the few countries that actually place property ownership, taxes, and valuation in public records accessible from the web. Unlike an individual, a corporation, or a limited liability company, there are extreme limitations placed on access to the public records when property is in a land trust, all of which benefit the privacy of the interest holders. When a title is warranted to the trustee of a land trust, a level of privacy is created in the county record that in most cases conceals the true ownership of the property from the thousands of databases and websites looking at those records. Only the trust and trustee appear unless there is a homestead tax exemption claim. For the foreign national property owner in Florida, the land trust is a must-have because of its ability to shield ownership and protect succession of ownership from the interloping searches of the web. Privacy of ownership is considered a stellar feature of the Florida Land Trust Act.